If you want to make some camera movements like that, then you can go to the previous two MMD tutorials to get a reference. They'll be in the description down below. However, it's going to be a quick demonstration in how to do it in this video. So don't worry. This one's going to be a whole lot easier and faster, since you won't be needing any materials, models, nor accessories. All we have to do is go to the near lower left side where it says camera. You can play with the view angle to see the depth perception. Now let's continue. Ignore the rest of the buttons except the register button. We'll need that. Go to the frame manipulation area, as it's similar to the animation window. First, press the register on frame 0. Most of the time you'll need to start animating from frame 0 because then it will be a mess. Once you register on frame 0, on frame manipulation, press the right side and head to frame 5 in this way. Then go to where it says XYZ, rest under the Y button above, and move it to any area you would like. Then, go and press the register button. Once that's finished, we'll be doing this again. Spin 5 frames ahead to the right, continue to the Y above, press the register button, and repeat it again. The same process. From this point on, you can see the rest of the video. It's basically repetitive for now. Okay, now that you have some decent amount of frames in register, go to the lower right side where it says play, and just see what you got so far. This is the result. Since this was made from every 5 frames, you can see like everything is done fast because it's done like the following. 30 frames equals 1 second. Something you should consider when doing this. By now, you should be having everything you know to animate any character on MMD. Let the animation begin.